In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to streamline your workflow by permitting pop-ups for only certain trusted sites, or if you just want to have full control over your browser's behavior, this step-by-step guide will help you do just that. So, let's dive in. First things first, open Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right corner of the screen, you should notice 3 vertically stacked dots. This is your gateway to accessing essential browser functions, so go ahead and click on those dots. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Settings. This will lead you to a new page full of options relating to the configuration of your Chrome browser. As you reach the Settings page, take note of the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find a series of categories. We're primarily concerned with privacy and security, so go ahead and click on that. This section houses all the settings related to your online safety and privacy, but don't worry, we're zeroing in on one specific area today. Next, within the Privacy and Security section, you're going to see an option labeled Site Settings. Click on it. Site settings allow you to dictate what actions websites that you visit can perform, and it's incredibly useful for managing how different websites interact with your browser. Once inside Site Settings, you will need to scroll down until you see Pop-ups and Redirects. Click there. This section is where you can control how your browser handles requests to show pop-ups. By default, most browsers block pop-ups as they can be intrusive, but at times they are necessary for the full functionality of certain sites. Now, you'll see a toggle switch. To allow pop-ups universally, switch the toggle to Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Doing this will unblock all pop-ups. However, we understand that hardly anyone wants all pop-ups enabled indiscriminately. Let's explore a more precise method. If you prefer to allow pop-ups for certain sites only, below the toggle, you'll find a section titled Allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. Here you can manually add the URLs of websites from which you wish to allow pop-ups. To do this, simply click on Add, enter the site's address, and hit Add once more. And there you have it. Now you've not only allowed pop-ups in Chrome, but learned how to thoughtfully manage them, keeping those pop-ups useful rather than intrusive. Remember, allowing pop-ups can enhance your browsing experience on many websites that rely on them for important functionality. As always, be careful which sites you permit, and your browsing will be smooth and secure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.